In Los Gatos, California 95032, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent option for drain cleaning services. They are prepared to tackle a variety of drain-related issues, from minor obstructions in sinks and toilets to more significant obstructions in shower drains or sewer lines, because of their staff of skilled plumbers. Are you looking for drain clearing near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the benefits of drain clearing? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert drain clearing services in Santa Cruz for trustworthy, efficient plumbing solutions. The primary benefits of drain cleaning include avoiding clogs, reducing backups in sinks, showers, and toilets, and protecting pipes from damage caused by debris buildup. What is the purpose of a drain clearing? Drain cleaning is done to rid your plumbing system of debris and obstructions that can be causing water to back up or drain slowly. Over time, debris such as hair, dirt, soap residue, grease, and other materials can build up in pipes and clog sinks, showers, toilets, and other fixtures. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/